Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This week I am going to be working with the Flowers Fair stamp and incorporating the Family Ties stamp set. The Family Ties stamp set is one that will probably live on my shelf forever because of the really nice fonts and the greetings. But this is last chance at the moment. So if you like it, get it. If you don't have it already, it's on last chance. The Flowers Fair is current, and it is one large stamp. So you need one of your large blocks or your Stamparatus or any other kind of stamping platform that you use. And we are going to do a version of this card. Now I'm going to hold it up really close so you can see the detail there. What I did, this is Strawberry Slush, and I stamped the whole thing in Strawberry Slush first. Then I took my Wink of Stella and I used it to pull the ink, the Strawberry Slush ink. So it's really, really subtle, but you do get the color going on. And then I stamped over again with just basic gray. So it's given it almost a 3D kind of effect, and I really love how it turned out. And then of course the greeting is from the Family Ties, and I used the triple banner punch to cut out these two pieces here. So for the video today, I'm going to use Coastal Cabana and Smoky Slate. So I'm going to do it just a little bit softer. But what I need to do is I need to ink up my stamp in Coastal Cabana. And I'm just going to ink. Just going over, making sure I've got really good coverage with the ink. I don't want any bare spots. Okay. And then I'm going to take my 5 1/4 by 4 and I'm going to stamp this down. Lining it up as best I can so that I've got really good coverage with the stamp. I'm just going to take and rub this to make sure I've got ink everywhere. And that is my piece stamped. So now I'm going to come in with my Wink of Stella and I am going to just drag that ink. Just moving that ink around, pulling it. And the juicier the ink on your ink pad, the more this color will transfer. And so I'm going kind of across instead of with so that it drags that color. It's super, super subtle. If you wanted it to be darker, you can use like an aqua painter and your ink pad and drag some ink over it. So I'm just coming in, I'm doing all the flowers. Again, it is super, super subtle. I'm just gonna add some more ink or more Wink of Stella. It is, like I say, super, super, super subtle, but it's really kind of a cool effect. And I don't know, I think that the Strawberry Slush is probably a better color than the Coastal Cabana, but you can still get some of the effect. So I'm just going to pop that away. I'm just going to hold this up to the camera. You can see there are, it is super, super subtle on this one, but the card's really super sparkly, so that's good. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take my stamp and I'm going to take my Smoky Slate and I am going to ink this up again. Okay, and I'm going to do my best to line this up. If it is off just a squidge, it's okay. It's not a huge deal. But again, being a photopolymer stamp, it is easier to line this up. And I'm gonna have to get into the camera frame here so that I can line this up. There we go. I'm gonna push that down. Again, I'm gonna give the back a good rub. And if you've got a stamp platform, you don't need to do that. So there we go. I am off just a little bit. You can see that I didn't line up completely. I'm better here, but it kind of wandered off. I am super okay with that. I am perfectly happy with that. Again, some of it is the fact that I can't line up with the reflection of the lights on the stamp block, but it is all good. Now, I didn't have any Coastal Cabana ribbon, so I took my white ribbon. I think it's retired, but I've still got lots of it, and I colored it with Pool Party. I don't have Coastal Cabana blends, but the Pool Party actually looks really quite good with this. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add my ribbon. Just kind of like that, making sure I'm relatively straight, tucking that underneath. And now I can go ahead and add this to my card front. Again, the card front's in, the card base is in Coastal Cabana. Okay. And I love how that Wink of Stella just makes this. So the Mother's Day, or the mothers, I just stamped on some cardstock with Smoky Slate, and then I just angle cut it out. This is about 1 inch wide, and I've got I've got my dimensionals staggered so that when I pop this down, it doesn't get hung up floating on the ribbon. Sorry, I'm just going to grab some water. Okay, so I've got the happy and the day that I cut out with my, actually I used this one, Bander Punch. And for the day, I've only got dimensionals at the bottom because it's going to be layering up on here like this, okay? And the happy, I've only got dimensionals at the top because I'm layering it. And I'm down to the edges of my dimensionals, so that's why I've got these kind of skinny pieces. Hugely valuable. Don't ever throw your dimensional sheets away without using your edges. Okay, so that's our Happy Mother's Day. And then I'm going to take this second piece and I'm just going to thread it underneath and tie it. Now the coloring it makes it just a little bit stiff, but that's okay. And you want to color it and then let it sit to dry before you try and use it, or else you'll have really inky fingers, really inky fingers. So just trimming that off. And I've got some of the holographic resin dots that I'm going to use to just bling this up a little bit. I've got one small one left. I'm just going to pop that one there like that. And then I'm going to pop one down here like this, and one up over here like this. And then I'm just going to pop some around, and I'm going to put some in the middle of the flowers just because it kind of looks cool. And then I'm just going to pop some just down and around on the card base or on the card front itself. Maybe I'll put another flower one there. I feel like I need one up over here, so I'm just going to pop one there. Okay, so we started out with Strawberry Slush and Basic Gray, and we did the card in the video today with Coastal Cabana and Smoky Slate. So you can let me know which one you prefer or what color combinations you would do. And I really love how the stamping isn't actually exact, because it adds some depth to the card. So thank you so much for watching, and we will continue through the week using the Flowers Fair and mostly using the family ties for our greetings. So thank you so much for watching, and let's create together again soon.